Hidden placket has a flange that covers the buttons. Thread mark the lines that say fold in one color and also this line. Thread mark the center front in a different color and thread mark the buttonhole. Press the fold nearest the buttonhole. This will match this line to this line. Stitch them in place just outside the line. Press the line near center front and then press it back. The over layer will be slightly wider than the under layer. Stitch the buttonhole. This is center front. Here's the overlap. Here's the buttonhole. After all the buttonholes are made, stitch the underlap to the overlap only through the bottom layers, not through the face.